They call it a pump. It's not really a pump, but it does do a little bit of kind of a suction action. So generally speaking, you would use this while the baby is nursing on one side. So if you have your baby latched on one side, then you might take the Haakaa and put it on this other side. You can do it at an angle if that's better for you. And when you squeeze it and then put it onto something, it kind of suction cups on there. And that little bit of suction, along with the hormone reaction that your baby is causing while they nurse on the other side, is what will actually make milk come out into the Haakaa. It's a tool, and it needs to be used as a tool. So for some people, that's great. When you're trying to up your milk supply, that might be a really good tool, especially if that might prevent you from having to set up the whole pump with all the faff and all the time that you're going to be doing it after your baby is nursing. This you would just be doing while they were nursing. That might be a really good tool that you're going to use. Now, I have some parents that are like, I want to have that extra milk to have my stash, and so start using the Haakaa right from the beginning. Your body will likely end up thinking that you have an extra twin that needs to be fed, or an extra half a baby that needs to be fed, and you may end up making far more milk than you want to make, which I know there are a few people who really enjoy that, but for most people, it's really, you want to make the right amount of milk for your baby, maybe a little bit extra. But actually, if you make too much extra, it can mean that the baby's choking while they're eating and coughing and spluttering and make it hard for them to stay latched. And that in turn can actually decrease your milk supply. So sometimes if they're latching on to a nipple and tons of milk is coming out, they'll kind of clamp those little lips down to slow it down so they don't choke. It's a smart option on their part, but that's not going to be comfortable for you, and it's not going to be the kind of latch that's going to tell your body, make more milk next time. So having the right amount of milk is really important for you, and you can use the Haakaa to help you do that, but it needs to be used in the right situations and not just kind of generally across the board.